welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So today we are doing a BOXYCHARM video, and if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a makeup subscription company that sends you 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month. If you guys have not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me a lot. And hit the thumbs up button if you like unboxings, if you like first impressions, if you like BOXYCHARM. And I think that's everything that I have for you right now. Let's just get on to the video. I'm gonna open the box now. Okay, so the box always comes with a card, as you may know. So this theme is Rock 2018, and this card always tells you all the information about the products that you have in the box and the retail value. So going into the, that was just another card, it said Rock on, I'm not gonna, whatever. So we have a full house today, and I am gonna start with this product right here, which is really funny because I just filmed a video all about IT Cosmetics, and this is the IT Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. So if you've seen that video, if you have not seen that video, I'll put a card, you should go watch it. If you have seen that video, you know that I already like this pencil. And it is in a universal taupe color. It's the only color they currently have right now. And it works fine for me so far. So this product retails for $24. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. Alright, so these are the brows. As you can tell, it matches me pretty well, like really good actually. And I feel like this universal taupe does a really good job of matching the black in my hair, but also the light caramel in my hair. I think they did a really good job with the whole universal thing. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my regular clear brow gel from Anastasia. I'm gonna carve out my brows, put concealer on my eyelids, and prep for our next product. We can move on to the next product in the box, which is this right here. So this is the Glam Metals eyeshadow palette from Crown Pro, and this retails for $25. So let's take a look. Oh, let me take that out. Oh wow. Look at that mirror. It's in the shape of a guitar. That's kind of cute. So these are the colors we have. That's a nice variety of color. Gosh, okay, this can be a little hard for me because these are not the usual colors that I gear towards, but I'm gonna make this happen, okay people? I'm gonna make this happen. Alright. Alright guys, so I just did my eyeshadow like really quick because I was looking at this, and truthfully I was having a hard time figuring out what to do, mainly because I couldn't even, like, I didn't even know how to start, because all of these are shimmers or satins, whatever, except for this black right here. So I was kind of having a hard time figuring out what I would be using as my, like, transition color. So I literally just have 2 colors on my eyelids right now, and it's super simple. I took Wild Thing right here, and I put it all over the lids. I hope you can see it. And then I took the Wicked. So I took that and just put it in the V and a little bit into the crease. And that's basically all I have right now. I'm thinking about taking this black and like lining my lash line with it, but I don't know, we'll see about that. So I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow just yet. I don't hate it, but I definitely have had better eyeshadows before. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm gonna put on lashes. Maybe I'll go in with the black. If I do, I'll tell you. But I'm gonna put on lashes and then we can carry on with the rest of the products, okay? And we're back. Alright guys, so I just put on some eyelashes and I actually did go in with the black and just lined my top lash line. I think I'm gonna go into the next product from the box, and this is a primer. So this is Dr. Jart, which i.e. is a pretty, it's not a cheap brand. So Dr. Jart Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and this retails for $38. So it is like a skin color tone, whatever. Okay. It's, you know, it doesn't feel as like silicone-y as my Porefessional, so that's interesting. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the parts that I need to take care of my pores. This is tackier and thicker, which in turn I feel like would be a good thing. Wow, my face is so red, because your makeup would probably like stick on. So I'm just gonna pat it into my skin in my trouble areas. I like it so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my foundation, my concealer, my powder and all that, and we'll see how the foundation looks on top of the primer. Alright guys, so I have my foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder on. I definitely look white, so I need some color in my skin. So we're going to go on to the next product in the box, which is this Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So it has a highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush in it. So I'm basically going to use this whole thing for the rest of my face. This retails for $34, okay? This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna, you know, move my hair. I'm gonna take this Morphe M403 and I'm gonna go into the bronzer. That actually looks really nice. Ooh, wow, that looks really nice actually. Okay, okay, I see you. Okay, it's so pigmented. Okay, that was super pigmented, super easy to blend. I really like the color. I think it looks really nice. I look very like tan and bronzed. It looks really, really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to, I'm gonna do blush first. I'm gonna take a really, really small amount of blush just because I'm a little worried about the pigment, so. Okay. Ooh, okay. I think that's really pretty actually. Oh, I think they go really nice together. Ooh, okay, I like that. I like that. Hopefully the highlighter does a good job. Oh, wow. Very chunky when you try and swatch it. But here's a swatch. I'm gonna dip in with my Morphe M501. I always use this brush to highlight. Okay. I'm also gonna take this color on the inner corner of my eyes because there wasn't a light shade in the eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna take it on my pinky. Place it right there. Whoa, wow. Definitely more pigmented. Wow. Okay, that just brightened everything up. Okay. I have to say, this palette surprised me. This palette really surprised me. I really like this palette. I feel like the colors just blend really well together and I think it's a great all-in-one product. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the last product in the box, which is a lip product from Girlactic. This is their matte lip paint in the color Demure, I'm pretty sure, D-E-M-U-R-E, Demure. So their liquid lipsticks retail for $23, and I'm really excited to have this because I haven't heard about Girlactic in a really long time, and I think their liquid lipsticks are awesome. So I'm excited to try it. I'm going to line my lips with the It Cosmetics Your Lips But Better in the color Blushing Nude, and then we're going to go on and put the liquid lipstick on. They did it again. The overall value for this box this month is $144. Again, you are paying $21 a month and you get incredible products, and honestly, I don't think there is a product here that I didn't like. The eyeshadow palette I'm a little iffy on. Like I don't think it's terrible, but I need to play around with it a little bit more. Everything else has been amazing. This was such a great box. I love BOXYCHARM. If you guys are interested in trying BOXYCHARM out, I'll put their link in the description box. I definitely recommend it. I guess that's everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, hit the subscribe button if you are not already. I really appreciate it. I just want to grow my family. I want to talk about makeup, and I just want to have fun. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it lets me know that you guys like videos like this. And go ahead and check out my social medias. I never say that, but go ahead and check out my social medias. I try to stay as active as possible. I'm super active on Instagram, so just check that out. And I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!